Hi, it's Herbalist Luna of Skin Side Out Botanicals here in the Transition Kitchen, and today I'm going to put together a couple of quick salads. This is one that I get from Sam's, and it's called the Sweet Kale Salad. It has broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, pumpkin seed, and it has a poppy seed dressing that does have egg in it. And sometimes I do use the dressing, especially if I'm in a hurry, or I will make my own dressing and add to the salad. I don't usually eat egg, but this would, in that case, be the exception, something that contains egg, and it doesn't have a lot in it, yet and still it is egg. So, let me move you down a little bit here. You can see my bowl. Put it in the bowl. Comes with cranberry seeds, cranberries and pumpkin seeds, not cranberry seeds, cranberries and pumpkin seeds. So you just cut it open, and this is, you know, really convenient when you don't have time to do something yourself. And I will put this dressing on here. See, you can see it's a creamy dressing. To this, I will add, oh, I didn't get my onion out. To this, I will add onion. I'll add onion, and I will also add my own seasonings, which will be some garlic, onion, and some Nature's Seasons, which is a seasoning blend. And in this seasoning blend, it has salt, black pepper, sugar, spices, natural onion flavor, natural garlic flavor, which are these same items right here, celery seed, and calcium silicate, which helps it to not clump together. So I will add some of this, some of this. I thought I had a purple onion, but maybe I do have a purple onion. I'm looking in the wrong spot for the purple onion. And here's my purple onion. I'll add purple onion, and I will also add a clove of garlic. Now, this is a bulb of garlic. This is not a clove. When you take one of these off, that becomes your bulb. I mean, that becomes your clove. The whole thing is the bulb. One piece is your clove. So I'm gonna put this together, and I'll come back.